Thank you, General Evaluator Toastmaster Puneet. Mama Nama Nagendra Bharati. It's a combination of name of God and name of poet Nagendra plus Bharati. As an account manager, I will note down the unnecessary fillers, but I will not note down the necessary fillers. Sometimes the ahs and so's might play a vital role in the expression. For example, the so in the expression, so what? That has a meaning. So that type of so's I am not going to note down. Like that, there are some ahs, some Shakespearean ahs. Our grammarian would use that type of ahs. So those type of ahs I am not going to note down. So I will note those type of musical ahs, so's with lot of meaning I am not going to note down. Only the unnecessary ahs, and then the unnecessary conjunctions, right? And, but, and the unnecessary usage of words, repetition of words like, you see. So these are all the things I will note down. So a suggestion to the speaker is that they can replace the unnecessary fillers with pause. These pauses, they play a powerful role in the expression. They may change the meaning itself. So you can try replacing the unnecessary fillers with pause. That's a suggestion. With that suggestion, I hand over the session to General Evaluator. I will come back again. Thank you. As I have already mentioned, giving credit to the necessary fillers, we have to congratulate the following 10 Toastmasters who have given flawless speeches without these fillers. They are as follows. TMOD Jimmy, grammarian TM Tyagarajan in his first introduction, Toastmaster Cholan, Toastmaster Rekha, Toastmaster Geeta, Toastmaster Venu, Toastmaster Srikanth, DTM Neena John, Toastmaster DTM Varadarajan, TT Speaker Rajalakshmi, TT Speaker Lakshmi Narayana. These 10 speakers are flawless speakers without any unnecessary fillers. They have used some fillers, but I treat them as necessary fillers. Now, I have found one more different type of filler, that is using non-English language. Two speakers, three speakers, two speakers and one evaluator have used Tamil sentences. But if they were translated it into English, maybe I would have taken them as not filler. But Toastmaster Cholan has used edukku ipdi build up pandringa, but he has not translated it. So I treat it as a filler. Toastmaster Rekha used வெள்ளக்காரனா இருந்தா பொய் சொல்ல மாட்டான், கள்ளனா இருந்தாலும் குள்ளனை நம்ப கூடாது. But at the same time, she has translated that into English. That's why I am not treating them as filler. Toastmaster Venu used the same thing, கள்ளனை நம்பினா குள்ளனை நம்ப கூடாது, but he has not translated that. So I am treating that as a filler. Other than that, for the information of the individual members, I have taken the count of the unnecessary fillers as well. That I will share for the information of the individual members. Surgeon at Arm Abhirami, two was. Timer Vratika, one so. Courtmaster TM Kritika, one so. Idiom Master TM Nadira, two so's. Speaker and President Toastmaster Guruvayurappan, 5+ so's. And also, basically, that was also used in as an unnecessary filler. And then, General Evaluator Puneet, one two so's. And Evaluator Murugeshan, two ahs, and one M. And then and then I think that's it. And one more person, Kavya, she has used like 2 times and one so. Sorry, the Toastmaster Lakshmi Narayana used 2 A's. I have given them credit for flawless speech, but sorry for that. He has used 3 R's. With that, I hand over the session to General Evaluator. Thank you.